I'm Dave Alexander, Executive Director at Downtown Muskegon Now. Welcome to Downtown Muskegon. We're here at the Elsie Walk Arena, where the community will be showing off the new renovations of the arena and also plans for a new convention center that will be constructed in the next 2 years. Are you ready to get into the holiday spirit? Because we are. There's a holiday open house at Washington's Flowers and Gifts, Muskegon's oldest business, a vintage holiday open house at Vintage Redefined here in downtown Muskegon, a holiday arts and crafts show at Mona Shores High School, a holiday bazaar at Trinity Lutheran Church, and the Greater Muskegon Women's Club is raising the roof with an art extravaganza that includes a juried art show, artwork sale, and a second chance art auction. There's a shrimp tasting at the Fishmonger's Wife this weekend. You can sample what they have and see what's in stock for the holidays. Tickets are $5 each and include a $5 off coupon. Now how can you go wrong with that deal? In the musical mood, we're more than have enough for you this weekend. David Mole will perform classical jazz and contemporary music on the piano at the Book Nook and Java Shop in Montague. Then also at the Book Nook and Java Shop brings Acoustic Oasis. This duel has a playlist that covers features 6 and 12 string guitars, a mandolin, ukulele, banjo, clarinet, and harmonica. The West Michigan Symphony continues its season with Scheherazade Showcase. Speaking of the West Michigan Symphony, come to the block for a showcase of their talented musicians. Principal clarinetist John Holden has brought together an ensemble featuring their principal flutist, bassoonist, and more. The Muskegon Community College Collegiate Singers will be on the beautiful Frohlenthal Center stage for the Music of Autumn, which is part of Awe-Fest. White Lake Music Society will present 4 lectures titled The Swan Series. Host Robert Swan will share many of his insights, experiences, and expertise gleaned from 36 years of performing with the Chicago Symphony. Still in the mood to dress up for Halloween? Or just want a good party? The Lakeshore Museum Center is ready for their signature annual fundraiser, the Lumberman's Ball. This year's theme is Kaleidoscope of Color. With a drink in hand, explore the new exhibit, Collection by Color, along with other exhibits, mingle with friends, and put a bid on auction items. A delicious strolling dinner is also included. The Back Alley Comedy Club begins to keep you laughing. This event will have DJ Dangler and Kate Brindle, and they will be there to tickle your funny bone. All through October, the Muskegon Arts and Humanities Festival explored the theme of truth through different events and exhibits. Friday is the last day of Awe-Fest and the teacher exhibition at the Muskegon Area ISD. But all weekend you can still see the Michigan Regional Exhibit, paintings of Ahmad Mahizan, and sculptures by Nate Rolales at the Muskegon Museum of Art. 2 of our farmers markets are still open this weekend and will be in full swing. And we'll have fun, unique indoor and outdoor shopping. Many of the museums are open year-round. Hike, bike, and watch the Autumn Peak along 26 miles of Lake Michigan shoreline and over 60 miles of trails. To get the dates, times, and all the details for these and other events, visit the Downtown Muskegon Visitor Center of the Convention Visitors Bureau or go to visitmuskegon.org. Watch Muskegon, watch us go.